So we are over the top of the overpass, and we were just told that there's carburetor ice. So this is kind of exciting. I'm not worried. I think we're going to be just fine. But right now, I'm just making this video. I love my family. I know we're going to be just fine. But this is kind of scary and kind of exciting at the same time. Well, right now we're looking for a place to land. We're looking for a straightaway. Just got a prayer in our heart and think we're gonna be just fine. Alright, we're gonna land field right here.
Is everybody okay?
Yeah, I'm okay.
I'm not Jacob, you fine. Okay.
Oh,
I didn't expect that.
you okay? Where's my baby?
He's fine. I had him.
It's all right.
Okay, Catherine. You got your seatbelt?
Okay, well, we have just survived a crash landing. And I'm still recording. I'm really, really sorry about this.
I'm sorry. I feel bad too. Boy.
It's I'm really sorry about your plane. Are you okay?
No. Yeah.
Hold out, please.
Yes, absolutely. Kara, are you okay?
Yeah.
Are you gonna ever fly again?
Yeah.
I knew that we'd be fine.
Jonathan.
I didn't expect that. Okay.
No, I've been.
All right.